Yes, it is legal to run wires out the bottom or sides of an electrical box as long as the following conditions are met. Firstly, the wires must be protected from damage. The wires must be protected from physical damage by using conduit, wire loom, or other approved methods. Secondly, the wires must be securely fastened. The wires must be securely fastened to the inside of the box using cable clamps, straps, or other approved methods. Thirdly, the box must be rated for the number of wires. The electrical box must be rated for the number of wires that will be entering and exiting the box. Fourthly, the knockout is sized properly. The knockout used to exit the wires must be the proper size for the number of wires being used. Also, an approved bushing must be used on the knockout to protect the wire insulation from damage. Fifthly, the wires must be connected properly. The wires must be connected properly to the electrical devices inside the box using approved connectors. Sixthly, the box is properly grounded. The electrical box must be properly grounded to protect against electrical shock. There are some reasons why wires are often run out the top of the box. Convenience is one reason. Running wires out the top of the box is often more convenient for installation, especially when there is limited space in the box. Code requirements is another reason. In some jurisdictions, code requirements may specify that wires be run out the top of the box. It is important to follow all applicable electrical codes and standards when installing electrical wiring. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is recommended to hire a qualified electrician to perform the installation. Always turn off the power at the breaker box before working on electrical wiring. Use caution when working with electrical wiring, as it can be dangerous.